The cabin air filter in your 2017-2020 Nissan Armada is located behind the glove compartment. To access it, first fully open the glove box. Then, depress the stoppers. These are small plastic pins on the sides of the glove box to allow it to lower completely. You might need to remove any screws or clips securing the filter housing cover. Typically, there are 2 to 3 screws or snap fits. Once the cover is accessible, pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the filter's orientation as you remove it. Usually, arrows indicate the airflow direction, which is important for installing the new filter correctly. A quick note, reports from 2024-2025 indicate that neglecting filter changes can lead to reduced HVAC efficiency and unpleasant odors, so consistent upkeep is key. Before installing the new filter, use a vacuum cleaner to remove any debris from the filter housing. Then, insert the new filter, ensuring it matches the same orientation as the old one, paying close attention to the airflow direction arrows. After the filter is in place, reassemble the cover, securing it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the glove box by depressing the stoppers and gently pushing it back into its original position until it latches. To test the installation, start your Armada and run the HVAC system on fresh air mode. If airflow is strong and there are no unusual noises, you've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember, OEM filters range from $15 to $30, and replacements are recommended every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually.